Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's special is chickpea salad. The ingredients are here. Before starting, we're gonna prepare sweet curd. For this, I have taken a half cup of curd. I'm adding sugar. Mix well until get a flowing consistency. A pinch of salt. Give a nice mix. The consistency is good, so it's all ready. It's around 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. An empty bowl, I'm transferring this. Ginger paste, raw grated mango, 2 tablespoons. Sweet curd, 2 tablespoons. I have already added, so I am adding few. Spicy green chutney, carrots, 2 tablespoons. Tomatoes, 2 tablespoons. Onions, 2 tablespoons. Finely chopped onions. Sweet tamarind chutney, 1 tablespoon. So mix well. While mixing, let's have a short talk about this. The nutritious filling bowl has a full of fiber and also boosts your immunity, nourish your body and helps in the absorption of vitamins and minerals. Now it's done, I'm transferring to another bowl. The people who all are in diet, they can also have this. They can avoid sugar, curd, salt. I kept some curd for toppings, so I am adding this. The chutneys, sweet chutney, and that green chutney, lemon juice, and sprinkle with that leftover vegetables. You can also garnish with pomegranate seeds, onions, some coriander leaves. Yeah, the delicious food is ready. Thanks for watching.